All right, here we are with new site, something just to run through pretty quick. Let's see what we can strip away from this site to make it not as hideous. Looks like our header sort of thing is going on here. This is probably something that's unique and not spread across other items. So let's just get rid of it. Okay, and they have a bunch of little headers. Takeover. That looks like something we can get rid of. That was the blue. Now for random bright red articles. Secondary, maybe? Where's that end? Secondary it is. That is class. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we need the important flag because they have special styles. Nope. Okay, I guess that was that tiny little header. Okay, next for more. Recommendation top box. No thank you. Hey look, we actually see the title article now. Breadcrumbs, we don't really need, do we? I just wanted to read the article. I don't really want to see that. And there's some sort of padding on the top of this, probably on the body. Yep. We can also do the color for the background, maybe, while we're at it. Oh, it's a margin. There we go. Maybe a little bit of margin's good. We also want some colors. Type these up now. Yeah, just a simple matte black will do. If I could type. Okay, next up, we got some share buttons we can hide. Typical share bar. And big red news tag. I suppose we could get rid of that. Okay, just tiny little column. Video, sign up for free emails. This has nothing that I ever want. Probably don't need, actually, probably just get rid of these two classes, and we don't want the rest of those. I got that out. Read more. Okay, let's get rid of this bottom area. Sure. Oop, already had a dot. And related articles, maybe a class related articles. Read more links. Not quite what I was thinking, but oh, what is, hey look, another survey. Didn't we get rid of one of these in the last? Did I already do this site? Okay, it's not that. Where did the cipher go? How did I lose it? Just losing my mind and jumping too far outside of this. Let's just go with something simpler. Just take some of these. gets rid of that. I don't know how I got rid of it last time. Oh, look at these sweet lines that are floating up. Maybe we can find that. Byline. What is in a byline? Maybe we can just get rid of the whole byline. Oops, too much. Okay, no more floaty lines. Can clean up the bottom of the article or strip some stuff off. Related stories, no thank you. Comments? Possibly comments? Nope. Worth a try, sometimes that works. Okay, what do we got? Comments header, compressed comments. Okay, that will do. See more on. No thank you. Tag list. Maybe? Okay, and this final more article crap. Data. Mod? Sure. Another large block of even more stories. And maybe just footer. Hey, look at that. Now there's a little bit of overflow going on down here. Take a look at that in a moment. Let's try to make this not white anymore. Probably main. Yes. And why not something slightly lighter with maybe a little bit of opacity in there. And this is going to be our dark color. And anything with that opacity that our background is, it'll shine through to show color. As in whatever our darker color is, we can see it a little bit through this. So say we were to crank up some color, it'll also modify. But grays are fine for now. Text colors, we can filter out some items, try to figure out what we're changing. CCC always works for me. I don't know if anybody else has issues seeing colors like that, but should be fine. And then we want something like a dim text for subheaders. Let's try 9. My naming convention isn't the greatest, but meh. What is this? This is being set on that. And now general text is what? Article body P. We can just throw that in there. Subheaders, let's try to make that background less. How about just transparent? Ooh, that doesn't work. That means the figure probably also has a background, whatever that is. This will help the images when they're loading and don't have anything behind them. You'll see that background, so we kind of want to filter that out. And this can be dim text as well. Now we can at least see what those comments are. And image credits, sure, those are important. Let's not remove them. But they are also dim text. Okay, everything except the links and maybe these random lines that we might be able to get rid of, might not. Div, background color. Oh man, that's not a border, it's just straight up background. We can throw this in our transparent to hide those out. You know what? we don't even want to do that. Let's just get rid of them as there's no content in there and they're taking up space. Another good one would be link color. Let's get rid of that red color. Teal is generic and usually works well. And okay, teal's not quite the greatest. A little bit brighter, a little less saturated. Pretty enough. Now let's stretch this column out a little bit. Got to figure out what takes on that size. Article body maybe might have a width on it. Nope. Content column looks more appropriate. Get our max width going on. That looks like it did it. Still got some margin to the right, which we can close that out to take up maximum space. Oh, same thing. There we go. And let's maybe shrink these images down just a touch. Figure might have videos in it, might not. Should be able to do this. Nope. Is there a width being stuck on these? Margin top should be fine. Width's 100%. Okay, sure, whatever, it works. Not that we can see this video, but it is a video container, so we can get other videos to do the same thing. Oh, no, that's not. This is what we wanted. I went too far up and grabbed the wrong class. There we go. And maybe we can figure out why they got this extra little scroll overlay on the bottom. Assuming it's a secondary column, even though I thought maybe I hid that, but okay, not that. We don't need that. What's this after? We get rid of that. Will that? Nope. Article wrapper. It's going to be outside of that. Bylines we already hid. Just scroll up to the top and work our way inside. Can we get rid of headers? And not get rid of our title? Yes, we can. Don't know what this is. What is this? Padding, box sizing, max width. Maybe get rid of the padding. Nope, not that. Okay, I had to take a quick break in there and figure out where this is coming from, but it's this item. I think it has something to do with the width being set to the full view window. So let's just leave that as unset. And that will get rid of our scrolling extra goodness. That looks like everything. We get really excited. Tone down that a little bit. I don't know. I like that. But yeah. Daily Star done. Hope you guys have a good weekend, week, or whatnot. Any comments, feel free to leave them. Any requests, feel free to leave those too. Take care.